So yeah, this ones are quite, and that's it. That's what I think the whole point is. Just like I said earlier. Yeah, what was it in my last video? Would it be like in my last video? But yeah, it's like you get to, these things are not, it's just with pronunciation, and as you practice listening, speaking, you get used, you get like accustomed. Yeah, let's use the verbal element, accustomed. You get accustomed to this the rules. Yeah. So the next one, which is the fourth one, okay, is lateralization, and that is quite, would I say simple? Yeah, is that when does the nihan, is that the Korean name? Yeah, but when this, is that clear? Okay, I think it is. When this meets this, the what's the Korean name for this? But yeah, they both become okay. Let's just take an example. Becomes, it's more, because these things are very practical, so you can only understand it when you use them like practically, because literally they're just, the theories can feel a bit abstract until you practice them with like speaking. Okay, so this is now this is that clear, or should I just write that? Yeah, or should, is this okay? Is this fine? I hope it is. If not, I probably will put a picture on the screen while editing. But yeah, so this is like, this is shin. This is shin. Ideally, as a beginner pronouncing this, you would pronounce this as shin ra, shin ra. Please don't mind my pronunciation, okay? But shin ra, shin ra, shin ra, shin ra. But because this rule of when this meets this would become, so this will be pronounced as Sheila, 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 Sheila. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. And then for the, we're only going to take one example because I really don't want this video to be too long. So the next rule is the palatalization, which is that when this, is that still clear? Yeah, when this, that, or the stronger T sound, when it comes before this vowel, is softened, they soften because the T or the strong T, they soften to ch or ch, ch or ch. Okay, yeah, so this is an example. Look at this. This is, we have the, can you see that? Okay, yeah, we have the strong T, yeah, okay, and then followed by the he vowel. So you would think pronouncing this like, considering how it's written, we would say kati, but no, the palatalization rule that when this or this comes before the he vowel, they soften. So what we have is kati, katiale. Okay, so the last rule that I learned today is the aspiration by, this is the head. What's the Korean name? Heel. It. I'm not so sure. Yes, I need to work on putting the names in my head. But yeah, the aspiration by that's the sixth rule that whenever this consonant, it is the H consonant, appears next to another consonant, it makes it breathy or aspirated. It makes it breathy or aspirated, and this is an example. We'll just take one example for this one too. Look at this. Let me just write that here. Okay. So this is, and then we have the whole vowel, and then we have the sound, and then yeah. So this will become this. Okay, and then the in making this it's making this aspirated, yeah. And in doing so, this shifts from being the normal in pronunciation. Remember this with pronunciation. This shifts from being the normal T to like a stronger, because that's true. Whenever H, this consonant appears next to another consonant, it makes it really hard, aspirated, and that's what's happening here. Okay, as you can see, so this becomes chupta, chupta. Okay, because this aspiration I aspiration by, yeah. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next practice video. Bye.